Podcasting has become one of the most popular forms of entertainment and information sharing in the digital age. That's where Descript comes in. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Descript has become an essential tool for podcasters around the world. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, the Descript app is perfect for both amateur and professional podcasters who want to take their podcast to the next level. Record audio podcast editing. One of the most amazing features of Descript is its ability to automatically transcribe audio and video files. Descript also offers a number of other powerful features, such as the ability to collaborate with other podcasters, a video editor, add sound effects and music to your podcast, and export your podcast in a variety of different formats. With Descript, podcasters can create high-quality, professional-level podcasts that are sure to impress their audiences. If you're a podcaster, you owe it to yourself to check out Descript and see how it can take your podcast to the next level.